Hello everyone. In this short video I'm going to be showing you exactly how your uplines and your team members are recruiting people behind your back and you don't know it. So how do I know this is happening? Many people have come to me and said, Mr. Emmanuel, our upline told us to get a WhatsApp group, create a WhatsApp group, create a link, share it across social media, post it in groups, on our status, on our profile, on our timeline and all. And we've done that, but we're not getting people that join our groups go out, or some of them join and post their own links. And that's because possibly their own uplines who told them to post their links wherever they can. So your group was an opportunity for them to post. So I'm going to show you how you see that your uplines are recruiting people every day, but you don't see them doing the same thing you are doing. They are not posting up and down and they are not struggling, but they are getting new downlines always. How are they doing this? So that's what this video is going to be about, and I believe it's going to change your life. So to do this, I'm going to show you point on. I'm not going to do much talking. I'll show you how they are doing it so that you can decide for yourself if you want to keep struggling or you want to start getting results. So the first thing is to go to google.com and search for Facebook ad library. This is a software that Facebook has made available so you can check adverts being run by different people and see what others are doing that is working for them. So let me click on ad library. It's going to be the first option that pops up, as you can see here. And once you click on ad library, it's going to open up. So it has opened up. You can see they said search ads. So we're going to start with a popular network marketing company in Nigeria called Long Reach. It doesn't matter the network you are in. So we can see this page, Long Reach. Let's click on this and allow the software to load. Then click on all ads. We want to see all the adverts these people are running. So you can see this is a normal Long Reach page with 40 likes and all, but now let's see. You can see these guys are running about 5 different adverts. This is obviously a Long Reach member, right? Now let's see this first video. This first one, it's a video. What is Long Reach all about, right?
What is Long Reach all about? Long Reach is a simple platform that helps everyone who wants to achieve their dreams to do so.
Okay.
On this platform, all you are expected to do.
So let me just pause this.
Let
me just pause this. You can see this is 1 minute 45-second video that introduces what Long Reach is about. Now these guys have been running this advert. Let's check here. You'll see started running July 3rd, 2020. So this ad has been running for close to 3 months. July till October 21st is almost 3 months, and it's still active, as you can see. So all of these ads started running July 3rd, 2020, and they are still running. Now let's see other things this page is doing. You notice here that they are also advertising products for beauty. You can see this is a sanitary napkin, right? And this is for menstrual pain. You can see. So ask yourself, if this particular person has been running these ads for almost 3 months and paying Facebook for it, what does that tell you? She's running this ad on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Messenger. What does that tell you? It tells you that this thing has been super profitable. She's obviously getting downlines from this, and that's why she has not turned off the ad. If the ad was not performing well, she would have turned it off because nobody has money to waste, right? So these are some of the things your uplines are doing. Now, whether she's here or not, whether she's sleeping or awake, whether she's in a conference or she goes out with her friends and her family, this advert is working for her 24 hours and getting, you can see here, let me click on see ad details. You can see there's a send message button here for people who see the ad, who are interested, to just send a message. So this is working for her every day, every moment. You can see switching your daily consumable products and get paid weekly, right? That's her message. This is her video, very cool and crafted. Let me come here. Okay, so let me just pause here so you can see While many of your uplines tell you post your links, do this and that, they are not doing that. They instead just meet a marketing company and all that, and their ads are crafted for them, and these ads work for them 24 hours while they get downlines. And you have been posting links up and down for months. Imagine one person has 500 downlines and teaches all of them to post the same thing in Facebook groups, post it on their status, and fill their WhatsApp groups and make the same kind of presentation. How long do you think before that thing is saturated, right? So you need a smarter strategy, and that's what this video is about. Now let's run another test. Let's quickly run another test. I searched for another one, which is recharge and get paid. Recharge and get paid. So this is a recharge and get paid page. You can see they have just 510 likes. Okay, and this page was created November 24, 2019, right? So in Nigeria, so that you know that this is in your country, and people are doing this and getting results, right? So you can see this ad started running on March 9th, 2020, almost 6 to 7 months, and they have not turned it off. It's been active. Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ads running on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And it's just a simple statement. They said recharge and get paid, a major partner with the 4 main telecommunication giants, MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9mobile. See more. And they put a website link. So this is an example of a marketing funnel that works when the person is not there. And if you don't find a way for your business to work without you there, you're going to struggle and you're going to suffer, right? So the goal of this video is to make sure you can understand what these guys are doing and getting results. So you can see it's connected to a website, and this website explains everything about the business, so the person does not need to be here or make WhatsApp presentations. Once somebody has gone through this and is interested, what the person needs to do is to click on this call now button on their mobile phone, and instantly it will make a call. But I'm on my laptop now, so it won't make the call, right? So you can see 6 different ads, different pictures. You can see all those promo products and all that. RAGP, my oil well, different pictures, same message. You can see shop now. So this guy might be selling data and also might be getting downlines. So, and this will keep on working. Somebody leaves an ad on for 7 months. Ask yourself, that person has paid Facebook nothing less than 300,000 to 700,000, and you can imagine that the person has kept this ad on for 7 months. It means the person has made far more than that. You get? So if you understand how this works, you can boost your business. I'm going to show you a few testimonials from a few people that have gotten access to some of these strategies. The strategies I have revealed to them.
Hello and welcome to the month of November. Thank God we all made it, and I'm here just to give a testimony of what I have learned, I have gained from the classes and teachings of Emmanuel Ode. He's my big coach, and I'm so proud of him. He has taught me a lot. Before now, I do my advert on my Facebook timeline, and then created a few Facebook pages, and I didn't know how to reach people unless you do adverts, and even when I was advertising, it was costing me a lot, a fortune to advertise, because I didn't know how to go about it. But when I now came and when I now met him and then got to know about his course on how to optimize your Facebook page, I had to create a Facebook page from the scratch as a professional, and you'll be able to reach thousands of people without advertising, without paying Facebook a dime. I tried that, and in just less than 3 days that I created my Facebook page, I was able to reach like more than 10,000 of people without paying Facebook a kobo, a dime. And it's very, very, very real and very true. So you can try it out. And let me shock you, Facebook only shows your post on your timeline to 2% of your friends. Just imagine you have 100 friends, and when you post about your business or your services, Facebook only shows it to 2% of your friends. If you have 100 friends, that is just show it to 2 people. And if you have 1,000 friends, Facebook only shows it to 20 of your friends. So if you're running business on your timeline, is there a no and no and no and no? Just try and buy this course. You will never regret it. There are a lot of things you will learn from this course, I have learned it. My Facebook page is doing well. In fact, I can even create Facebook pages for businesses now and collect chat money for them. So just do that and you will thank me later. Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to learn more about how this works and you want to get a system for yourself that works in your absence, whether it is during pandemic or not, people are recruiting. You know your uplines are recruiting. Some of your team members that know these strategies are recruiting, but they've refused to show it to you. Well, today is your lucky day. You can access this strategy and use it to change your life, change your business, end the struggling and all that. You can learn to build it yourself. You can just click the link anywhere around this video, whether you are seeing it on Facebook or YouTube, wherever you are seeing it. Just click on the link below and you'll learn how to get access to a system like this. No matter the network marketing business you do, no matter the kind of business you do, it works for different businesses, whether you are into e-commerce, whether you are into network marketing, or you are even into selling of information products like books, online courses and all that. Funnels work for any business and they can be customized to meet that need. So I hope I've been able to give you value. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you on the website. Cheers.